Whew. Ain't it, son? All right. So, finding oil for this thing is actually pretty tough. God damn, my forehead oily as hell. God dang. That's probably the longest time I've spent with finding oil. Because like I said, I'm used to GM vehicles, Ford stuff, all that. But when you get to European stuff, you really want to use European spec fluids and everything like that. So I did get some antifreeze coolant. I got that so I can refill it up because I did see the reservoir was almost to the minimum section, so I'm gonna refill that up to the max. I wanted to check the oil. I kept seeing people use 0-weight 30, 0-weight 40, 5-weight 40, 5-weight 30. I'm like, man, what is best? So I just looked it up. So I'm just going to use some Castrol Edge Euro Spec high performance oil 5-weight 40, just because we want the thicker, we want that best performing oil, you know, for the, since we're going to be stage 2 E85. I do want that thicker oil, and I still have that trans fluid, the DSG fluid that I need to change, spark plugs, and the injectors, which we might not do the injectors right now, but I do want to do all the maintenance stuff and get that out the way. I'll probably have to run this little tank of gas down before I swap to the E. Well, let's head to the shop. This car does sound so damn good, man. Like the turbo noises you get, got the pops. Let me see, let me roll the window down slightly. That turbo noise. Man, this dude got an M4 badge on top of the 435i badge with M performance stuff all over the back of the car, man. That's insane. Some of these people, what the hell is this? Ain't no way he out here rolling like this. I'm gonna expose him. Trying to catch his ass at the light, but he decided to turn. He knew I was finna expose that fake M4.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
This thing be hitting out here in the sun, man. This is crazy. All right, so we got our NGK spark plugs. These are spark plugs I'm going to be using. R7437s. We've got our Castrol 5-weight 40 oil for the Eurocar spec. Eurocar coolant, and then we've got our Ravenol DSG TZT fluid to change for that, and the filter as well. Now I do got my injectors here, which I might try to install, but I still am on 93, so we'll see about that. But we do have the injectors here. Yeah, that's yeah, 0-weight, I think 7.5.
God damn.
Yep. 2.5 liter taking 7 something quarts of oil, man.
The same amount of oil as almost as a Ford Mustang 5.0.
Almost like a 5.0 Mustang. I did speak with BMP Tuning, so I'm gonna have to get the Uniflex kit, and then I can install the injectors and switch to E. So I'm gonna have to order the Uniflex kit first before I do those injectors. So right now we're gonna do the oil change, spark plugs, and the DSG fluid change. So we'll be ready after that. I had to use the Mamalona real quick. Had to use Charlie's truck, man, to go grab a spark plug gapper. This is very important since I'm doing the spark plugs and I'm tuned. Change your plugs. Make sure you gap them, man. This could be a big difference on how your car runs and performs, and you can actually make more power depending on how far your plugs are gapped. Too tight of a gap or too loose of a gap, it does make a big difference. So yeah, I went and picked this up real quick, and it recommends that we gap them at 0.26, I believe. So that's what we're gonna do. Just added some fresh coolant. We got our oil in there. Now we're gonna do these spark plugs and then get the transmission oil filled up.
More excited from that level.
We got the trans fluid out. It is clean though. Super clean. Got the oil in it, new spark plugs. Checking the trans fluid right now. Make sure the trans fluid is good. And yeah, trying to make sure everything running good, man. Like I said, you got to keep up with the maintenance on these Euro cars, man. You can't play with that. I feel like I'm on a Six Flags roller coaster ride right now. We're double checking the fluid, make sure everything's good. I just went on like a quick little up and down test to make sure all the gears shift smooth, which they do. But yeah, we're almost done with the maintenance check and everything. I Came out here, I got that boy Charlie rolling. Boy rolling. Man, he gonna enjoy that shit. I know he is. I know he. I can hear the sound wave controllers.
This is fucking scary, bro.
It's fast, huh?
Hell yeah. Double tap.
You didn't get the double tap?
No, fuck that shit. I was like kind of taking off. I was like, it's going like 40. I was like, alright, it's good. Fucking full throttle and then fucking started spinning.
That's dope, huh?
That's too fast, bro. Too fucking fast. Yeah, I'll kill myself.
It's fun.
That's it.
It's fun, man. Especially going on the trails and just riding. But yeah, bro.
But you kind of hardly keep at that sport, right?
No. I drove all the way over here on 3. Yeah, I was chilling. I'll be on 3 or 2. Got the lights installed on here, gradient. And then you got some lights on it now. Okay. That's cool. I like that. Yeah.
I did that this morning.
Yeah, that's cool. That boy rolling, boy. How you like it?
Guess what that is? I like this. That run so smooth. Oh yeah, I like that.
You ain't hit it though. I heard you chirp.
No, I hit it. Yeah, he burned rubber on me.
You supposed to pull it, man.
Yeah, I did. That's love. I like that.
You gotta pull it, man. It'll burn rubber all the way to 4th gear. I mean to 40. You gotta pull that shit.
I bet it. I like that. It runs so smooth.
Yeah, man. It got sound wave controllers, so you can ease on it and go ease, and then you pull it and it'll haul. Yeah. Yeah, man. I gotta show it. We just hit that on the ride. 71.3 miles an hour.
Car.
Man.
You really do. Wish I had the videos this to see. When it started down, you just keep pulling, just like smooth. Just
Yeah.
like, dang.
Man, that was rolling, man. That was adrenaline rush, man. That 71.3 miles an hour.
That's adrenaline rush.
Yeah. That was crazy. They think we slow out here with smoke off the light, you know?
844. 844 was that?
848.
848. 848.
Yeah, 848.
I drew speed days
So far, I kind of like it a little bit better than the Emotion.
Oh, okay. Fucking cop just tried to race us. He don't know we're faster than him off the line. Damn, what the fuck? What the hell? What kind of Texas shit is this? Here, my phone. What the fuck? Hey, we can go through all this shit. You forgot we were scooters? You forgot we were scooters?
Nah, because some of them, you don't be knowing what they're going to
Oh
do.
yeah, that's true.
They drunk too,
Yeah. Watch the 502.
You worry about more like drunk.
You guys are pretty cool.
Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, share the videos. We did hit a little 7K. We upping the subscribers. I do appreciate that. We do got a nice little build going on. I got plans for it, and I'd like you guys' help in the building process. I would like to reach out to some sponsors, see if I can get some type of stuff for the car, but there's not really too many people that do things for the TTRS or the Dazai platform. 034 Motorsports worked with me, and I really do appreciate them. I'm looking into iRides, which I got a couple things from them as well. And the new wing should be in pretty soon. I did order a new wing for the car, which will look real nice. And then we're going to change the color here pretty soon. So stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and peace out.